Kofi Adomah to plaster his eye like that and come and cry. Obumu nyina kwasiafo. When ni no wanje ya ho ade biem. Ukwasia, me nyankopon da tie o. Ya to Kofi Adomah mi da nyankopon ase. Kacha we kromfo no. Miracle kromfo no. Kacha is a plaster na wo man nurse for the better no. Onkoyi because you look stupid with the plaster. Plaster nata when you Kofi Adomah, wo se kwasia. Wa man here the plaster at and you obi o medical field bi anim se eni ayaye no operation. Plaster nata Kofi Adomah ni no. Hospital na nata I am jubilating because kwasia plaster nata when you know. No hospital will plaster your face like that. Kwasia. How can you tell me this story say plaster way? Dr. Nedibo Kofi Adomah for Kofi Adomah to use those plasters. Any person any answer bumu kwasiafo. Afia Kofi Adomah wa got from us in the plaster at
for someone to say me nim dia ebeto me. Enti me pese me kasa. Ansa ne bia bibi beto me a atome no. It's very deep. And Kofi Adomah menini enya encounter biada, but obviously no ejuma waye over the years no ye evidence obia ehu ewo social media. So even time as social media ma ye kra no na oye na ejuma sense ni ne asemi atuni ya bebre. But anano ada na mudi asemi hu nkomo Vida Bobby biso my miss. I don't know who bantered you, but no nipa ne ka se we enye police asem. How is this different from Min kai Ghana for yaw? How is this different from funny face accidental or the car a kobo in Kofor Kaswa? How is this different from Kojon cancer when accident here Sebu min kai busia for yaw? A ma kolebi a shrenin. Was it not an accident? Yanti police phone car. The police investigated and they brought us whatever it is that they found. And I said, no, see dear, see. Police bemu, ema ye huye, way a accident. A day na yenti police phone can was same way huye. Is it that obi na show musemo mumba se minimu biana? That's what it looks like. Because basically, how can an accident happen? Nungwa na nsenya ohima ya yesi ohima ya yiku eshutu mami owuye. Police memu ma onipa ne suspect ye man remand e. Enti aden na way caught on camera, and this man to find him it's not a big deal because enkrofo a etwa ho ehia ne enkrofo omunnim onipa a wotutu no. Enti aden na yen to me pikin because sebe police ni kra ya ma no kwan so owo officer or field that all year juma otuni tuona sebi ekoku obi a wonam ne ba bi kra na ye be hwehwemu ye di mu hwehwemu aba na say eye court na be ko whatever it is no ye tumi aka asem na manakọ akosi die be say nti aden na be si nei ye hu police official statements via about this thing. We don't know if the guy has been arrested, if he's been picked up to be questioned. Absolutely nothing. Yente sheye sebi se krom ha ye we enya ahemfu ne bukro yo emra wo krom ha ye de ye adwuma. Enti na we say police for to me acting on this thing as quickly as possible because me person mejime di say ye beka say ya afahye enti tutu e kan ho bi enti no de esi enye hwe eyetuo e na yato enti say bia sebi mpredwasa anka papa efemu hwere ne nkwa ti anka ebeja amana kosa na say afahye bia se kra mo kotu bi sa amane kunwo bi ana meboa ekosi saying we cannot sit aloof and then we will watch this thing pass by ya yente Ghana police ehun kan wa asem we mu. It is not right because say you na ye ti ya ye ka say you na ya adwen na ye kire ye ni hobi ya hwe video de ba ye to me si gina ye si ni pise enye boapayo. We don't know. The police has to investigate and tell us because video na mashe. How do I know if the guy was not sent to shoot the guy? How do we know? We don't know. Oh, and there was a police for to me bem. Na omuhwehwe asem ni mu na ye hu ne fapema asem ro eba akosi. De to so mienu. Menam social media ne so sa to me tena ho nche because it's like almost every, especially on TikTok, every slide after slide is about Kofi Adomah.
Yeah.
And some of the comments is highly disgusting and appalling. And very distasteful. What see microphone nsɛm a wɔn ka obi see na settings na de ebi mo nso say wɔn ahyɛ da akyerɛ mo yam kom ɛna wɔn abɔ mpaeɛ ɛna wɔn nyame ayɛ bibi obi nyame nyɛ hwee Ghana for mɛmo obi andadam obi nyame nyɛ hwee ɔntumi nyɛ hui ɔmo wɔ nyame bi a ɔmo mmɔ mpaeɛ na nyame ne nsa ɔmo yare kɔsɔ ɔmo ankasa ɔmo wɔ problem. What you say? Obi nyame nyɛ hwee wo wɔ nyame bi a bɔ mpaeɛ na ɔma wo bra ne nyɛ yie na gya ade a me kyim ne wiase ɛne wɔ bi a wɔka nipa asɛm ba wo ka ne de ana ɛne ya. If you don't have the balls, don't talk about people. And when people come to talk about you, you think you have a God that you can call and the God will cause somebody to go blind. Are you dumb? What's wrong with you? Ade kroma yete ha no yen hu ade ana. Na obetina ha no abeka ne troka na se bibi nuanom Ghana for wo mo be gya wo mo ho ama nkofo aye wani agye di ne eposi na wenyam obi anyam ye hui. Wo nyame bi abompa no nye wabrabo yankenye ne wo ne eni ba bia wonam no. Me pamacho Ghana for me stress asama to Kofi no emu aya. Sebi imprejas abrante no nam ho no. On mesre na wadi. Enti no we no on metna ho mfa obi say yeah man obi say ye the plaster tari na ni na wa sheda e na wa tari na ni no na odi ba be pesika hey na wo obi settings wo kroma then I okay because you can't say on TikTok no I don't know the rate at which the thing is moving say be e ka obi akoma kra say wo mo akra na akwa ye bibie wo. We cannot tolerate this nonsense on our social media space. It's too much. Asemes in Abranti, and he needs some level of sanity to be able to heal properly. Your best Ghana for, especially abroad for your name is TikTok. Muya yotiamoka. Entinya mo benya mfaso gina ye bia ni so ni abegina TikTok ni aka ni hwe ye previews ni numbers na dem mo adwuma na mo ye wo ho na mtimu su say ye tiamka TikTok sika no so mo enya nka ho a mo bewu ana ni ntro na mo twa no it's too much. Yepa macho. Oh, if you don't have anything to say, then shut up. Don't come there and come and be talking about your God has done something. Your God has Maza. The diho nana hine mi doma hine mestre say ya say akola ntu pehimfo na sabi baby a me medu no me ndu baby a metumi etu ohenefo enti adesrede e na mesre say nana I don't know sasa I'm very sure sasa me de wati because me tie eye zigabe boa me hakaka eye bunu chemso
Bron champion
youth no omokaso omokai details na guy ma you could see said there's been a conversation ama ya man deep information about enyeme bi eno aba bekanti me jimi di say bi ananate na mo mimiti he de me to me nkyere de esi ne kwan tia want to me enye den enkoya na se bibi there are so many things that could come but mesre because me tie Kofi Adomah kasaye ne yire ne kasaye na nia woka ye ni na no onyaya anka ebia anka na show some concern bi to some level bi anka wo hwe nim sanka you know ebema na koma to ne yem kakra enye sikasam mpo enti mesre nana enidie mu a se bibi wo ho kra esi kwan a kwan bi a obefa so a ebi a woni wo ba anase wo nana ebe kasa ma na kuma ato ne yem no anka ebe boa kakra ama asem no you know ajojo because emotions are high and sometimes no o share video na me share na I could rightly see say the woman was in pain because for your husband sleeping by you to wish death so when ya yanku obewu nasa or hawia ana or yawia or femukra na tuacha it's not an easy thing for a wife to deal with. Intimacy say be ana ne kasa yemu no your emotion and I've seen people talking about it. Sometimes you really cannot hold it because ono no nim de ote ho ena de you know obre intimacy mpanifo adabraka say bibi wo ho a wo mo betumi aya wo mo nye ntem so na asemi enkonkoda na de ho hia titiru ene se Ghana for ye dem paibo ene wodo ebe tai Kofi Adomah chi cause anye yie kura no wama wasrepin anye yie kura no mekai recent story Empress Lupita ne anye yie kura mpo sebe what to me ma adokota for be mu ma ye man krofo kwa yaresabia ma mo ko je whatever treatment akola na sebe video se ba e niam a wo di no I'm sure today na akola ni tibia mu ye kakra enti ye besre say yemfa odo be akoye ni yemfa ntai omechi nsusu a wo feel so odo no enni ho no na Kofi Adomah ehu ye wahi no shut up
Medas my V head
seven prediasa maybe I mean penny bia means penny bia na mechirem eniso hye misu ya che but Kofi Adomah amana wotwi matini super titru baby ya na yire ne ka se edura na dwubia na oka kire ne se opese owu opese ogene nkwa because oyaw na ofem no ano odin chen sebe so betena se a obedi enchene Empress Kofi Adomah busia sebe oma ye week e wa assembly mu na mechirem oma ye week wa assembly mu na mechirem
okay
uti kwa uti ni sio nyina no dia wo hwehwa ne se ubenya are chichire e freedom ahene ho ene ne nkrofo ho Empress bibi se wasem obi a wadi wo dem ye hwehwa are chichire free sanipa ne ho ana sabi ukura wadwuma a wokoba wa employ nkrofo all of a sudden share to draw tiagu wani a se wani ni efra ne sa wo de wo ha na wisi keke krako wani a hwe se de si ehyehefa Jenny na wuti honom esra re chichire by this time I won kwada nim. What is the meaning of this? And family me feature me sue as you akwa wa himfio. Why should you look for a chichire from obia where deal with them? Osanto asoka se sebi o enye sika bi na ope nanka at least on show nanim kekeni ehu sebi o waboboa no na me bae na mabepra edi enti na enye sika enti na o frɛ no uti wo fie wo yare fa no obi beto atudrogu wani so enti maba wo fie maba waboboa no na bibi sei atome a sebi pania kra metokra no e wo se wo na wutiaka enti wo ho right say wo demand say wo fie na me ba ye enti se maba be pra e wo se wutia ho ka se enye sika na mepe Empress ya boy bra to say sebi o opani endi for ye won sem bi wo ho a esi a metimi agina ho aka se no kre aha de opani endi for nti opani ampa wo chokrampo na fanisa ba we ye dem die a nipa hwe nanim anyina ho eni ba ku na anka no so a kata me betina ha class a prosifo sorry enye bibi but mehunu se busua no so emu omunam agogododo mun kenya mo ho na whoever has to face the law munye police for so far yentishi no investigation Oko social media sisia there is a video a ewo kwa na Kofi Adomah nkasa ginemu a o kire mu se eba no kro ya wo hwa asanteman a sebi omukro ye no konkan sen domafo na abunofo na nchichemu ewo montem because yenya any investigation na ya launch into assembly this is the video a echo rounder amanfo gidi se sa kasa no a okoka ye ninti na bia obi apoma ni tuo e de abonani so we don't have any investigation e becha asema ye hunu mu yie uti waze na gabinya arechi udi arechi kire wo hwan ho opportunity ni ba ye say wose nipa kro no oso mu nipa no tutuo no you could see in the video say Kofi jida wa wo came he didn't even look wa pusu wose me twa arechi kire said ye benti now see you ni de no me blame Vincent ni too much because Kofi Adomah kwala Mubarak ebeye interview and o kan ye say so far no angel for emfa emwabia emai and knowing he also 10,000 cedis
I think
and omodiaba enti ono a onim se sa emwa omodia kɔ no ebro so no me oye nipa definitely obeba out ababa be kasa sa hoɔden na mudi agina CEO no so no monkɔpɛ lawyer sue every human me say sue every human being na we deal with them ye kasa se nyame amfefie na de boni bi sia ye be sense nkonya apriare chichire biem na te say wo ne terrorist wo say me negotiate with a terrorist. You don't negotiate with terrorists. You understand? Until the family is being weak. Omun Kenya omo na yo woni nkwasem na ye ka ho asem sisi ano. Kofi su say Ghana for enkyere no odo. It's an attitude that atwa for some time. Obitimi e bibi titiri mi aminua asamuaja na e de adapa ne enfantwa no wo krowe mu. E ya de ato akoso ache. Ensan komo we me e bo me. E join ma soon because baby me pesa wo de fire ne ko which is aboboa no akọ gina ya opra no unfa sa fire ne ko e senka by now ya launch investigations ama regulation on firing sa to drone ni ade ni nyina no ya hihye ho niema uti o say na me twa are chichire what do them awie no the family is being with one sorry no munye bibi mo bia ntwen ye nkosre nye me pra no me fa snap e ma me kan cho say mani need to. What are you telling me?
No, monsieur.
Breathing.
Mamen tiam.